Yo. Nixter. Online. The Nixter is online. There you go. Oh. Oh. I'm just gonna say get it. That's it, a bit of pistole. Pistole. Come on, get him, get him. No way you ain't gonna get him now, so I think this would be one of my shortest unluckies. Oh, he got half loaded. How the fuck did he miss? Damn. I was wondering why I didn't even look at the boosters. He's there, look, get him. No, too early. Ow. Get Chloe. Oh, somebody else got it before you. That's some bad cover, if you ask me. Come on, boy. Come on, you do a bit of camping with the old pistole, you're guaranteed to kill. And then your KD's going to be like 0.001, not just 00. Oh my god. Oh, forgot to thank Mr. Originix. Origin, something like that. Thank you for the clip. Oh, here we go, you got two, come on, get it. Damn. Here he is, here he is. Wow! What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my god, dude, how didn't you get that guy? You deserve to be fucking shot over and over if you missed that. Ouch. Ow. Ow. That's it. There you go. There you go. Now we're talking, baby. Now we're talking. Stay up there. There he is. Get your sniper out. Get her. A bit late for that now. You just wait for it. You just wait for it. Oh, there he is, there he is. Wow. Just wow, dude. He got denied there. Okay, here we go. Here's Chloe. He hasn't got half loaded on, so I'll give him that. There's only got a few bullets, but still out of 3 shots, you still should be able to get at least one. Yeah, that's it. Now you got it, my son. There you go. You go around. There you go, in his face. Get it. What the? Wow, dude. You're just having a rough day, man. You really are having a rough day. Oh my god. No, no, no. That's some bad cover, man. Pistole. Get the old pistole out, man. Oops. Oh man, you just had a really tough time this match. Damn, Nixter online, 0-14. Somebody got him at the end. Fucking classic.